How to block someone on Roblox. Let's go ahead and start the video. You're playing the game Roblox and playing some game in it, and some people are disturbing you. You want to block them but don't know how to do so. Just go ahead and open the game and click on the Roblox icon on the top left hand side. Scroll a bit down and it will show you the people who are in the game. So you can see the option of block. Just go ahead and tap on this option and tap on block. As soon as you tap on block, now you have blocked them, and you can easily unblock them by clicking on unblock if you want, or else if they are still irritating you, just go ahead and keep it this way. So you can just go ahead and click on block to the people who you don't want to communicate with. Tap on block once again, and as you can see, you have easily blocked someone on Roblox. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.